Hi everyone, so what I've got here is you get 5 sets, you get 5 sets in the box of reading glasses. I've got here the +4, they start with 1.5 and they go up to the +4.00. Comes with a little screwdriver and that is to tighten the hinges on the arms. Also, you've got a nice case they've supplied, which is nice. And there's a cleaning cloth. All come individually wrapped up. And so you've got 5 different colours. You've got like a clear plastic, like a purple, got a black, pink, and you've got what I would call tortoiseshell. Obviously, you've got to work out yourself what ones you can use, but for the price, I think they're very, very good value. You know, so if you lost a set or broke a set, for what these are going to cost you, I think these are exceptional value. They're nicely made. This company makes some very nice products, and I think, you know, for the price, I think they're definitely worth the money. Most important factor really is getting the correct strength. You can go on the internet, put in what you use for your glasses, like your reading glasses, and you'll be able to actually work out the ones you need. There are sites out there, but I think they're nice. I think they're a great Christmas present or birthday present or just a present to yourself really. But I think they're very nice, like I said. All come very nicely wrapped up, which is very important, so nothing gets scratched. And yeah, I think they're nice, you know. So let's have a look. Should we open the pair up? Okay. Well, even the arm's got plastic on. So if we turn it round to give you an idea, but obviously what I see and what you'll see are 2 different things because I do wear glasses. But I think for close-up reading or close to the computer, it will definitely help magnify something that you can't see normally. So like I say, they're very good value and I think they're lovely. Okay, and that's it really. Thanks for watching my video.